Hello, good night. This is the activity 5, speaking touch. Ready? Go. Question. What is your full name? My name is José Miguel Penago Chavarro. How old are you? I am 29 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Colombia. Where do you live? I live in Cali. What is your profession? I am employed and work as camillero. What is your hobby? My hobby is do sport and eat. Do you like white? I like white. My mother and my older brother. What are you studying? I'm studying radiology, images. What is your favorite food? I like the fish and the hamburger. What is your favorite TV show? I like the cartoon. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is the soccer. Routine. I hate up in the morning. I bathe. I eat breakfast. I hate dress. I give food to my cat and I go to the work. I come back at the 2 in the afternoon. I sleep for a while. I go out to the sport or to study as something. I watch television and I go to the bed. Thank you. Good night.